And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us their SG5 sleep trainer clock. You can see here has a nice little cat design. We have this one, and there's a few different sleep sounds. So there's piano, white noise, bonfire, rain, bird, and then alarm sounds. You have a traditional ring or a bird, trumpet, chicken, or water. There's also a sun and moon setting for the light. As you see, this is the one we have. Same little bit of information over here. SG5 sleep alarm clock light. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Just boom. So they include, wow, USB Type-C, a USB Type-C cable. This is to power the alarm clock. They also include your power adapter, nice. And then alarm clock, and that's it for the box. So we have the user's manual here, showing you how to set everything up. This is some of the stuff I won't be showing you, but I'll definitely show you the alarm clock plugged in. And then they also include these cool little stickers that you can put on the alarm clock, make it unique and make it your own. And lastly, the actual alarm clock. Look at that. So USB Type-C ports right here on the back. Looks like you can set 2 different alarms: time, sun and moon, light and sound. Little speakers right there. You have a nice snooze and light button here on top. And then the front, like I mentioned, kind of looks like a cat. We're going to set this up and show you exactly what it looks like and play some of the sounds directly from this alarm clock. All right, so this arrived with 100% charge, so we didn't even have to charge it. We set an alarm for 11 a.m., so you'll get to hear what it sounds like from the little speaker. As I mentioned in the unboxing, though, you can use certain tones, certain animals. They have a few different options for this alarm clock. That's what it would look like. Very nice look. I think a lot of people would love having this alarm clock. And here's what it sounds like when the alarm goes off. See, it's much better getting woke up by something like that than super, super loud, annoying beeping. And it'll just keep looping. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching this demonstration. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.